What are the products? Bit number 64. What are the products obtained when excess ammonia is reacted with chlorine, Here N2 and NCl3, N2 and HCl, next C, N2 and NH4Cl, next last one, NCl3 and HCl. So what are the products obtained when excess ammonia is reacted with chlorine? So that means here 3 moles of chlorine combined with excess ammonia. This is excess ammonia. It forms 6 moles of ammonium chloride and dinitrogen. So option C is correct one. Chlorine combines with excess ammonia, it forms ammonium chloride and nitrogen. In case excess chlorine తీసుకుంటే NCl3 and N2 form out. Right. Not this. Okay, excess ammonia to ammonium chloride nitrogen. In case ammonia combines with excess chlorine, that is NCl3 and HCl. So for this question, this is suitable answer: nitrogen and ammonium chloride. Okay, right. Next one. Next question. Two Br minus plus X2 gives rise to Br2 plus 2X minus. In this reaction, X2 is so chlorine, bromine, iodine, and nitrogen. Right. So 2 Br minus plus X2 gives rise to Br2 plus 2X minus. In this reaction, X2 is. So this is chlorine. Okay. Why? Because the halogen atoms of lower atomic number will be oxidized. Halide ion is a higher atomic number. Okay. That means to take solution 2 Br minus plus Cl2 gives rise to Br2 plus 2 Cl minus. What is the statement here? A halogen atom of lower atomic number. That means more electronegativity. Lower atomic number will be oxidized. A halide ion a halide ion with higher atomic number. Okay, that is the statement. So bromine, that is equal electronegativity, and iodine and higher atomic number kada ikkada em cheppaadu, halogen atom of lower atomic number will be oxidized halide ion with higher atomic number. Low atomic number unde halogen, high atomic number unde halide ion ni oxidize చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇన్ కేస్ x మైనస్ ఇక్కడ I2 అన్నాం అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ అయోడిన్ కి అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఎక్కువ బ్రోమిన్ కంటే కూడా. ఓకే, ఇది దీన్ని ఆక్సిడైజ్ చేయలేదు. ఇక్కడ క్లోరిన్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ లీస్ట్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్, లో అటామిక్ నెంబర్ కంపేర్డ్ టు దట్ ఆఫ్ బ్రోమిన్. ఓకే, సో ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ వన్. ఇది సొల్యూషన్, నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, next. One. Next one, question number 56. Chemically bleaching powder is called అన్నాడు. Chemically bleaching powder is called. So bleaching powder means CaOCl2 or it is CaClOCl. Okay, this is here option second one, calcium chlorohypochlorite. Calcium chlorohypochlorite. This is chemical name of the bleaching powder. Calcium chlorohypochlorite. It is a chemical name of the bleaching powder. So here option 2, it is a correct answer for this question. So chemically bleaching powder, what is called here? Calcium chlorohypochlorite. So next, go to the another question. Okay, next question here. The element which can displace the element which can displace three other halogens. From their compounds is here fluorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. What is the question? The element which can displace three other halogens from their compounds. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ 3 halogens ని వాటి కాంపౌండ్స్ నుంచి డిస్ప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ there is no any doubt, that is fluorine. Okay, what are the reactions here? That means fluorine oxides Cl minus 2Cl2, that minus 3F minus, and this is like this, Br minus ni bromine ga, and F2 here 2I minus, I2 plus 2F minus. Actually 1, 2, 3. Okay, fluorine displays chlorine, chloride, bromide, iodide. That means these chlorine oxidize chlorides to chlorine, bromides to bromine, iodides to iodine. What is the statement here? A halogen atom of lower atomic number will oxidize the halide ion of higher atomic number. Lower atomic number unde halogen, higher atomic number unde halide ni oxidize చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లోరిన్ కంటే క్లోరిన్ కి హైయెస్ట్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ కదా, అట్లాగే బ్రోమిన్, అట్లాగే అయోడిన్. ఓకే, యు టేక్ క్లోరిన్. ఇన్ కేస్ క్లోరిన్ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 3 అదర్ హాలోజన్స్ లైక్ దిస్. క్లోరిన్ ఎన్నిటిని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది? రెండింటిని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. ఎలా చెప్తాం మనం? Cl2 here 2Br minus, does not write here, it 2F minus. ఇక్కడ F minus ఇది ఆక్సిడైజ్ చేయలేదు. ఎందుకని? F minus అంటే దీనికంటే లెసర్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ కావాలి. సో 2Br minus it forms Br2 plus 2Cl minus. Cl2 plus 2I minus, here I2 plus 2Cl minus. So chlorine displays 2 other halogens. Next, come to the bromine. Bromine displays only one halogen. Okay, so here fluorine 3 halogens ni display చేస్తుంది by this. Displacement, for example, ఇక్కడ KCl అన్నాం అనుకోండి, KCl పొటాషియం క్లోరైడ్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ KF ఫామ్ అవుతుందమ్మా, KF. KBr పొటాషియం బ్రోమైడ్, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్. నోట్ చేసుకోండి. So fluorine displays here in the three halogens. Fluorine 2 halogens, bromine 1 halogen. But next, ఇవన్నీ కూడా థియరీ క్లాస్లో చెప్పుకుందాం మనం. థియరీ నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే బిట్స్ ఈజీ చేసేయచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, hybridization of chlorine atom in ClF3 molecule is, that is direct question, that is sp3d, option 4. ClF3 hybridization is sp3d. Okay, next question number 69. The shape of ClF3 molecule is, shape of ClF3 molecule. So given options, tetrahedral, here like this. Shape of ClF3 molecule is. So given option here, tetrahedral, and B, P shape, C, linear, and D, trigonal planar. So shape of the ClF3, that means T shape. Here this is This is shape of ClF3. So in this case, number of lone pairs equal to 2, number of bond pairs equal to 3. That means 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. And the number of electron pairs. Number of electron pairs what are here? So totally 5. Okay, totally 5. So shape. Sorry, hybridization. What's the hybridization? Hybridization. sp3d2. 3 plus 1, 4. Sorry. 3 plus 1, 4 here. Plus 1, 5. 1 plus 3, 4, 5. sp3d. Shape. T-shape. Shape is T-shape. That is like this, similar to T-shape. So option B is correct one, T-shape. Okay. So next question, question number 60. The number of covalent bonds. Book follow kavali. Page number 179. Question number 60. The number of covalent bonds a halogen atom can form through sp3d hydrogen bond hybridization. Okay, hybridization lo participate చేసినటువంటి ఒక halogen atom లో covalent bonds అన్నాడమ్మా. Take this example, ClF3. ClF3 also undergoes sp3d hybridization. Okay, sp3d hybridization. So how many bond pairs here? That means covalent bonds. These are covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 covalent bonds are present. 3 covalent bonds are present. So option 4. Option 4 is correct one. Okay. Next question. Next one. In the non-interhalogen compound, the maximum oxidation state of halogen atom. In the non-interhalogen compound, the maximum oxidation state, oxidation state of halogen atom is option A 1, B 5, C 7, D 8. So maximum oxidation state 7. Okay, example IF7. So IF7 lo oxidation state anta +7. Generally 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. This is maximum oxidation state. Okay, note this. Okay, next one. Next question number 62. Hybridization of iodine in IF5, that is sp3d2. Option C is correct one. Hybridization of iodine in IF5. So next, 63. Shape of IF3 molecule is, shape of IF5 molecule is, that is square pyramid. BRF5 చెప్పాం మనం ఇంట్రాహాలోజన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ లో IF5 shape. This is iodine. This is like this, IF5. Okay, contains one lone pair. Square pyramid. This is square pyramid. Square pyramid shape. So hybridization. What is hybridization? IF5. Iodine and 7. Okay, 7 5 is 35. So here number of iodine group number 7, fluorine group number also 7. So 5 fluorines unnai kada, 7 5 is 35. So 7 plus 35, 42. This is more than 8. So if 42 దేనితో బై చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ 8. Okay, so 8 5 is 42. Next 2 1 is 2. 5 plus 1 ఎంత 6. 6 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది sp3d2. sp3d2 ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 s 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 is answer. So here 5 plus 1, 5 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. 5 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bond pairs. This is lone pair, 1 lone pair. It is very, very simple. So IF5 hybridization sp3d2. ఇది before question. ముందు question కి ఇది answer. Next ఈ question కి square pyramid shape. Okay. Okay, note చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ 5 bond pairs ఉన్నాయి, 1 lone pair ఉంది. 5 plus 1. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చింది ఎన్ని వస్తే అన్ని బాండ్ pairs ఉన్నట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ తర్వాత పెడతాం చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని వస్తే అన్ని లోన్ pairs ఉన్నట్టు. ఫస్ట్ 5 కదా, కాబట్టి 5 bond pairs like this. 1 lone pair. This is like this. Total ఎంత 5 plus 1 6. So sp3d2. 2 ఉంటే sp3 sp2. 4 ఉంటే sp3. 5 వస్తే sp3d. 6 వస్తే sp3d2. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals. Forms 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbital. So 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. Okay, note this. Next. Square pyramid ఎన్న ఆప్షన్ అది థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. Next, bit number 64. Hybridization of iodine. Hybridization of iodine in IF7 molecule. In IF7 molecule. Right. So, given options are sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3. sp3d3. Right. What is the formula to find out the hybridization? IF7. So iodine group number 7, fluorine group number also 7. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 7 ఉన్నాయి. 7 7 ఎంత 49. So 56. Totally 56. This is more than 8. So 56. 8 7 is 56. So there is no lone pair, only bond pair. 7 bond pairs are present. So 7 means here sp3d3. This is hybridization. sp3d3. 7. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 3 d orbital. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. Totally 7. Okay. There are only bond pairs. IF7. This is iodine. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. This is IF7. Only bond pairs are present. How many bond pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bond pairs. Okay, note this. Okay, next. Next question. Shape of IF7 molecule. This is shape of IF7 molecule. That is pentagonal bipyramid. This is pentagonal. This is pentagonal bipyramidal shape. Okay. Shape of IF7 is pentagonal bipyramidal. So that is option 3. Question number 65. Option 3. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay. That is the structure of IF7. IF7 hybridization is sp3d3. Structure is pentagonal bipyramidal shape. Next. Next, question number 66. This is last problem in level 1 problem. 66. Chlorine atom in its third excited state, with fluorine to form a compound X. The formula and shape of X are here. Option A, ClF5 pentagonal. Option B, ClF4 tetrahedral. Option C, ClF4 pentagonal bipyramid. D, ClF7 pentagonal bipyramidal. Right. So here, chlorine atom in its third excited state. So generally, in third excited state, there are 5 unpaired electrons. Fluorine, valence shell electronic configuration 3s2 3p5 3d0. That means here one lone pair of electrons, here like this. This is ground state. In first excited state, this is so here, this is here 1 unpaired electron, here 3 unpaired electrons. In second excited state, this is like this. 5 unpaired electrons, In third excited state, here 7 unpaired electrons, right? So 7 fluorines comes to the chlorine at third excited state. It forms ClF7. This is like this pentagonal bipyramidal. ClF7. Okay, note this one maybe. This is ground state. Ground state lo only one unpaired electron. In first excited state, 3 unpaired electrons like this 1, 2, 3. In second excited state, 5 unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third excited state, 7 unpaired electrons. So level 1 problems are completed. సో ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ ఎంతవరకు అయితే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుందో అంతవరకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుందమ్మా సుమారు. నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి ఇవి. ఓకే, ఓకే నెక్స్ట్. Next, level 2 problems. In level 2, first problem. What is the formal charge? What is the formal charge? Formal charge on chlorine. Chlorine in the following. Following Lewis structure. Lewis structure. So this is like this. This is Lewis structure. Okay, ఇందులో chlorine formal charge. Here option A 0, option B +3, option C +5, option D +7. What is the formal charge of chlorine? So formal charge means valence electrons minus non-bonding valence electrons minus bonding electrons by 2. Okay, here the formal charge is equal to here valence electrons minus non-bonding valence electrons. Non-bonding valence electrons means lone pair of electrons. Here bonding electrons by 2 minus bonding electrons bonding electrons by 2. That is the formula of find out the formal charge. So formal charge is equal to valence electrons minus non-bonding valence electrons or lone pair of electrons minus bonding electrons minus. But in this structure, valence electrons of fluorine. Fluorine is a 70A group element. So it contains 7 valence electrons. 7 valence electrons. Next, non-bonding valence electrons or lone pair of electrons. So chlorine pair lone pair of electrons unnaya? Leave. There is no lone pair of electrons. That means 0. 0. Minus bonding electron pairs around the chlorine. So how many bonds around the chlorine here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. 4 bonds. ఒక్కొక్క బాండ్ ఫామ్ కావాలంటే 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కావాలి అంతే కదా. సో 4 బాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 4 2 జా 8. 8/2. 8/2. So 8/2 means here 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So 7 minus 4 3. So option B is correct one. Formal charge of chlorine in this structure is +3. Once again, formal charge is equal to valence electron minus non-bonding valence electron. Okay, ఇది మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ లోన్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ రాసుకోండి. మైనస్ bonding electrons by 2. Bonding electrons by 2. So from this structure, you observing here valence electrons. Chlorine group number is 7. So number of valence electrons in chlorine is 7. Next, non-bonding valence electrons. That means lone pair of electrons. On chlorine, there is no lone pair of electrons. So 0. Minus bonding electrons. Bonding electrons ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 bonds ఉన్నాయి. ఒక్కొక్క బాండ్ దగ్గర 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. 4 2 జా 8. 5 2. సో 2 1 జా 2 4 జా. అక్కడ 2 4 వస్తుంది. 7 minus 4 3. So 3 is answer. So next, bit number 2. Bit number 2. Here so electrons gain enthalpy of fluorine, although electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative as compared to chlorine. Fluorine is stronger oxidizing agent than chlorine because of. So ikkada although electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative than chlorine. Okay, electron affinity అనేది ఫ్లోరిన్ కంటే ఫ్లోరిన్ కి తక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పటికీ ఫ్లోరిన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగర్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ దాన్ ఫ్లోరిన్. ఓకే, ఫ్లోరిన్ అనేది ఫ్లోరిన్ కంటే స్ట్రాంగర్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్. అక్కడ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, లో ఎంథాల్పీ ఆఫ్ డిసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ఎఫ్ బాండ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ వన్. ఎఫ్ఎఫ్ బాండ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎఫ్ఎఫ్ బాండ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ లో బాండ్ డిసోసియేషన్ ఎంథాల్పీ. Low bond dissociation enthalpy. Next, high hydration enthalpy of F minus. This is also correct. So third one is wrong. But option 1 is correct one. 1 and 2 are correct. Low enthalpy of dissociation of FF bond and high hydration enthalpy of F minus. So these both are correct. So bit number 2, option 1 is correct one. Question once again చూడండి. Although electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative than fluorine, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy and electron affinity two same ikkada chudandi chlorine electron affinity greater than fluorine అయినప్పటికీ fluorine acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Why? Because here this is having low bond dissociation enthalpy and high hydration enthalpy. Due to these reasons, fluorine has a strongest oxidizing agent. Right. So next one, bit number 3. Among CX bond, where X is equal to Cl Br I. The correct decreasing bond energy, order is right. Option A, CCl greater than CBr greater than Ci. Next one, Ci greater than CBr greater than CCl. Next C, CBr greater than CCl greater than Ci. Next come to the D, Ci less than CBr less than CCl. So either both are equal. Okay, right. Decreasing order means this is like this. Why? Because as the size of halogen atom increases, bond length increases. So here bond energy decreases. That's why this reason is correct one. So take this. Note chesukondi. So tomorrow exam neat ga practice cheyandi. Ivanni kuda neat ga practice cheyali. Level 1 level 2 ఇంతవరకు చదవండి. రేపు ఇంకా మీకు ఈజీ బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మేబీ అవి అయిన తర్వాత ఇదైతే ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి. రేపు చెప్తాను ఈ విషయం. ఇక్కడ వరకు కన్ఫామ్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి.